Okay, I'm back. I know I need to be, and I want to be doing these videos in the morning. But trust me, some things that are out of my control are preventing me from doing that currently. I will be doing it soon. I mean, I'm not even sleeping these days. Okay. Fortunately, as you can see, since Friday, there's been no real trade. Okay. This is Friday. This is Wednesday, and you can see what price has been doing. Okay, staying in the range. Okay, it was creating this fourth wave here, and I believe this fourth wave might be finished. Okay, it didn't completely hit the 382, but the 236 is the minimum. We've clearly hit that. Okay, um, on top of that, with time, we've done enough. Yeah, with time, as you can tell from Friday, if this is our two, this is like 6 times longer or more, so, or 5 or 6 times longer. Let's just put it out quickly. Okay, this low happened at 5 times the length, and that's with me choosing this high. Okay, if I was to choose this high, then it's even longer. Okay, so in time, the fourth wave is fine. It's done its job. In distance, we could say it's done its job. Okay, I, I I wouldn't be surprised if it came lower, but potentially this is a 1, and we're doing a 2, and then going up in a 3. But then also you need to bear in mind, if we're doing a fifth wave, we could see an ending diagonal here. It's Wednesday, okay? Midweek reversals happen on Wednesdays often, not all the time. And so when I was looking around for how we're going to do this reversal, and I noticed that the news was today 6:30. Okay, so if come 6:30 we haven't done a fifth wave, I expect in the news to push up through that fifth wave and dump it, because we're still, once we've done this black wave 5, we're looking for a wave 2 to the downside. If I go to the daily time frame, we don't need this. We don't need a lot of these things anymore. Okay. Okay, so that would give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And at that point, once we get this 5, something like this, I would be expecting price to give us something like that and then go back up. Okay, maybe not so deep, but this would become a 1. This whole thing would become a 1. We'd be looking for a 2, then a 3, 4, 5. Obviously, we're looking at the third wave and the fourth wave and the fifth wave being a lot higher than this. Okay, but just so you know, yeah, I've done this so wrong. We'd be looking at this being the 1. Okay, so we'll be looking for this 2. Ignore the ones on the side there. Okay, that's what we'd be looking at. This would be a 1. And we're looking for the 2. So yeah, you can see this is impulsive. We can see that we're finishing it. We can remove that. We don't need it anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even on the daily, one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we're in some form of a fourth wave. Okay, well, not some form. We're in a fourth wave in this degree here, coming up here, starting from here. We've got a 1, 2, 3. We're in a 4, and I'm expecting a 5, which will finish off our 1, and then we're looking to come back down to create a two wave somewhere down here. Okay, the two wave is likely to be deep. So yeah, that's what we're expecting. But like I said, we're not going to do that before making that fifth wave. We haven't had. I mean, we've got the news at 6:30 today, right? We also got news tomorrow at 1:30. But today, this news should finish this black wave 5. Okay, I'm pretty sure that at some point today would finish this. Okay, so the news might start it off. Okay, so if we're up here at news, or we are close to it, and the news comes up into this area, maybe not specifically this area, but it could be higher. Okay, it could be lower, but once we have finished the fifth wave of this internal degree here, I'll be looking for price to come down in the two wave. So I wouldn't buy this. I would wait and look for the opportunity to sell it. GBP USD. Let's start on the daily again. Okay, same thing here. I really don't like this area because to me, I really want to give it an expanded flat, but it doesn't. This has gone way past the 1618. So I have to go with 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay, so there's another degree here, or 3, 4, 5, and we get an expanded flat in an A, B, and a C for GBP USD. So we may come and take this high first. That would be nice if we did come up and take this 5, especially during news. I would literally wait to start to sell this back down. GBP USD, looking for downside after a push up, just like with Euro USD. NZD USD, same thing. We might, I'm not sure if we're going to take this high. I don't think we'll take that high on this, but yeah, this would be its one. Okay, something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we've got 1, 2. So after the 4, okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking for 5 to complete 1 and come down and give us a 2 to continue higher. Alright, so we're looking for price to go higher, potentially during the news, and then sell it down for a 2 wave on NZD USD also. And the same thing goes for all USD. If we just get to AUD USD, you can see here what's going on. So there's something going on with my charger, my laptop charger. What's this? Right. Same thing with AUD USD. We have a supply zone just above. Over here. It's a beautiful count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're coming back to the prior fourth wave. So I think we're gonna take this high, these highs, pretty sure of that, into the supply, finish off this, which will now then become a 1 of a higher degree, and from there I'll be looking for the 2, wherever that is. I'll put it on, but I'll be looking for that second wave down to continue higher. So currently waiting for up so we could sell it. looking for something along the lines of this. Okay, something like this. That's what we're looking for, basically, on all the USD major pairs. So again, I'll update you probably close to the news. If we get some movement before 6:30, great. I'll be on here and I'll redefine the possibilities that we have for today. Thank you. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.